Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the Model Builder. Yes, we're back and I've got Lobsang Souchong Tea English way. We have number 19 here. And we're going on. This 19 and 20 are very small little things to do, so we'll see what's going to happen. But right here is that part that we're going to be, there we go. We're working right there with these parts that you see right there and there. So let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build. We're taking the one out that we have here right now and making sure that the part that has that, so like that, and we are putting 2 KPs from the other side. That's not going to be easy. You need a screwdriver with a long neck for this. Let's just feel if that is that's a wobble check that did not pass. And now it will. There you go. Wobble check passed. Then we're going to get that little pack thing out, and there are 2 parts in there, so be careful. This one is going to go in like so. I don't know if you can see that properly. And we're putting the other loose part in front of it. And that is what we should have, as you can see. Then we're going to put this one on top. Remember to have that little open part, that gully. And that's it. That is that stage done. Let's go to the stage number 20, and we've got 2 pairs of screws, and let's see how we put that together. So we leave it like that and we push them up and put APs on that. Very good. That we're gonna, there's no left or right on this, so just push it up. So we've got, I don't know if you can see it properly, we put those on, and on that side as well. We're gonna have a look at these, and I think they're supposed to go in here, but let's see how. This one won't go in. There it is. This one is in the wrong way around, so let's turn it around and push it in. And we've got those little things in, and have a look what the little indents are in there. That's how you have to put it in. And that's the last one. That's the end. I'll show you that. That's done. That was a very quick one. 8 minutes, but the previous one was a little bit too long to put that together. But thank you very much for joining me again, doing stages 18 and 19 of this beautiful locomotive. And check out my channel, because there's quite a bit there. The one that I have in front of me, and that, and a lot of my channel, and there's a little bit here as well that you do not see, but that, and I'm building a Christmas tree, as you can see. No, you can't see Santa Claus there. But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time whenever I do another build on this beautiful channel of mine. So hope to see you there. Bye bye.